Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices, phone with Google Authenticator and the account you want to protect. Open the account's security settings and select two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Once you choose to add a mobile authenticator, pick Scan QR code so your app pairs instantly. Make sure the phone's camera is steady. The app reads the code automatically. If needed, tap manual entry to type the key. This step links a changing 6-digit code to your account. After scanning, switch back to the account setup and enter the 6-digit code shown by Google Authenticator to verify the link. You must do this within the app's short time window because codes rotate roughly every 30 seconds. Once verified, immediately save the provided recovery codes or write down the backup key in a secure place. This lets you regain access if you lose your phone. Also, label the account inside the app so you recognize which code matches which account later. Complete the process by signing out and testing a fresh login to confirm 2FA prompts the Google Authenticator code. Enter the app's current 6-digit code and proceed. This proves the setup works. Make sure your backup key is stored offline or in an encrypted vault, not plain text. If you ever lose your phone, use saved recovery codes or that backup key to restore access. Troubleshooting tip. If codes fail, confirm phone time sync is set to automatic. Incorrect time breaks codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.